Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get TradingView Premium for free. All right, let's begin. First, go to the TradingView pricing page. Here, you'll see different subscription plans. Locate the Premium plan and click the option labeled Try Free for 30 days. This lets you test all premium features without paying upfront. Next, sign in to your TradingView account. If you don't have one, create a new account by entering your email address and a secure password. If you already have an account, just log in with your details. Once you're signed in, you'll need to provide payment information. TradingView accepts credit card or PayPal. This step is required to activate the trial. Keep in mind, TradingView may place a temporary authorization charge of $1 on your payment method, but it's only for verification and will be refunded. After completing these steps, your free trial will begin, giving you access to advanced charting options, alerts, and other premium tools. So that's basically how you can get TradingView Premium for free. That's it for this video. Thanks.